Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim from nasimreza.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can make money from online without enough experience. So I am going to give you a simple idea and it really works, and many people making money from Fiverr. But it's not only that you will make money from Fiverr. You can use all the social media platform, you can generate clients. So you just need to learn how to sell. Then in online there is a lot of tools are available, just you need to sell that service. Okay, so I just want to give you an example. I am going to give you example with Fiverr. Okay, so for example, if I search on Fiverr t-shirt design, just take an example. So how to design a t-shirt. Okay, and if I open a few gig from here, you will see this gig active 40 14 order. So if I go on the next one, 17 orders. If I go on next, a 28 running order. Guys, this kind of design skills is still sells on online, because but here is an idea guys how you can do that, because you may think you don't have experience. Nasim, you told in the first of your video there is no experience you need. So guys, I'm not wrong, don't get me wrong guys, this is kettle. Okay, so you can design professional t-shirt with these tools, and for your help I will give this link on this video description, so don't forget to check this out. Just think, you will get this kind of professional looking t-shirt. You can design logo, you can design hoodies, you can design bags, you can design poster, flyer, social media, banners, stickers, card, mugs. All the ready-made template are available there. And here is also high quality mockup available, and with AI tools you can use AI for designing. Just you have to earn a very little bit experience with that, because here this kind of tools provide you all the ready-made things, and just you need to customize that. And people are still buying this kind of service on Fiverr and Upwork and another freelance marketplace that you can check out. All from everywhere people are making money just using the resource from online. Just give a resource and sell that resource. That's it guys. So this is the idea. If you want, you can also join the kettle, and I will give this link on this video description, and you can instantly join on Fiverr, and you can uh, make gig, and you can offer this kind of service guys. Trust me, if you try with consistently, and if you stay focused, and if you are serious, you will make money from home and without paying any, like, from making money online. Someone could be tell you, hey man, it's too hard, you have to spend thousands of dollars. Don't think that much. You can spend it very little that amount money and earn thousands of dollars every month. Just stay focused and go with the original and proven method that you believe. Just believe in yourself guys, you can do that. So if you found this video was helpful to you guys, you can do thumbs up, and you can stay with me. You can consider subscribing to my channel, because it will help me to publish this kind of useful video. So that's it guys, see you on the next one, and start now.